all of the help we've gotten has just been from community members, whether it's our Amazon wish list, donations. We have seen like a very large increase in customers since SNAP benefits have been cut off. So we would not be here without you guys, and everything helps. We have merch for sale. Margot, our executive director, wrote an amazing book that we also have for sale, and all the proceeds benefit Sunday Love. So anything you guys can do really helps, and we appreciate you so much. Thank you.